So this rudder shaft is a bit of a work of art in itself. We're going to have to true up some surfaces here. See what's left of this shaft here. And on the opposite end with the keyways, we're going to, I think we're going to weld that up and return that. And put a new keyway in it. And that, of course, fits onto this piece. This is... it's quite old, quite worn. I think what we're going to do is just build a new piece from scratch using this flat bar and rebroach a new keyway in it and just make the whole thing look a whole lot newer and tighter. So we got our end faced off as close as we can get it without thinning it too much. Chamfer isn't much to brag about on this side because it's welded a little off. And sometimes you just gotta run what they bring. So we'll get it back over and polish up the shaft a bit and see what we're dealing with. So today we're working on making up a replacement piece for this this upper part because it's pretty old and beat up. So we started with some fresh flat bar here, and we've already got the holes done for hydraulic rams. What I'm doing now, I use the facing head to bring out a recess so that when we get ready with our center hub, we can somewhere to locate it. And right now I'm going to take out the center bore up to a few thou less than the shaft diameter, and then we'll bore it all to one sequence once it's welded on. So we're just taking this out about 100 thou per pass until we get within probably 50 of what our shaft diameter is going to be. And if we put it in gear, it'll actually work. Just a few more to go. So welding is completed on our upper piece. We got it set up now to bore. We're going to our shaft cleaned up at 724, which you probably can't see, more like 724 and a half. So we're going to do our hole up at 725 and get set up to put some keyways in both parts. So it should be fine. So we broke out this big broach kit that we bought from a guy with a few other tools there a couple of years ago. First time we've ever used it. So we pulled out all the all the bushings, and we have a look. Everything here is in 16ths. We got nothing to equal our 1 3/4 shaft. So it looks like we'll be making a bushing. Well, so as you can see, by the lack of video, we got our broach plug done and went ahead and broached keyways in our shaft. All we have left to do with it now is try to make it resemble something like this old guy. We'll cut off some corners and streamline the thing a bit. We got our 4 pins with heads on them, and over on the mill we have the plate assembly. What we needed to do here was make these holes at least round, and we're going to bush them back down to the 1-inch pin that we saw earlier, and hopefully we'll be in a lot better shape. Well, I'm not sure what the last video was in this project. I think it was back making a broach plug. What happens is the rented space the boys have their boat in soon won't be available, so we had to get the project done and out the door. So we kept on working with a couple of pictures maybe. So we got the head of our rudder assembly done. 2 keyways, we split it in the back for pinch bolt here. We did have to create some clearance up here for the hydraulic cylinders to reach their full stroke. We even had to clearance our cylinder a little bit. And what? Let's move on to the shaft, I guess. So we have our shaft and our keys finished. We have our head to put on it. Don't laugh at my wedge. It's kind of crude, but it's very effective. And everything locks on there. No play. We tighten our pinch bolt, keep it from spreading, and we should be in good shape. So I think we're going to call this one a wrap. Call our customer to come pick it up. We got a couple more waiting in the wings there. We have some motorcycle frames we have to do some work on over there. What else we got? And we got to make up some brackets for ATV track system, so it never ends in the small job shop for sure. I need a good day cleaning up.